For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. Simple toothpaste hacks that can save you a lot of money. Many discoveries have been made by exploring different ways to use common items and products we have in our homes. The outcome of these discoveries is cheaper and more effective ways of solving simple problems that would have cost more if we had to use professional services to solve these issues. One of the common products in our homes that have been explored in many ways is the toothpaste. The toothpaste, as we all know, is put on a toothbrush to brush our teeth. While the toothpaste is essential to maintain good oral health, it has been discovered that toothpaste has strong solvent properties. There are many hacks you can perform with toothpaste. Some of these fascinating discoveries include: restore the shine to your jewelry. Cleaning your jewelry with toothpaste can restore the shine and beauty of your jewelry. Toothpaste has been tested on different kinds of jewelry, and the result is awesome. This hack would save you a lot of money if you had to use the services of a jeweler to polish your precious metals and stones. Cleaning stained pressing iron. The stains on pressing irons are from the clothes that have been ironed. Stained iron surfaces can lead to the damage of your expensive clothes, so this surface should be kept clean. You can achieve this by applying some toothpaste on the iron surface and cleaning with a moist cloth. Keep the nursery clean. Well, children have fun in the nursery, so we expect to see crayon and paint stains on the walls and floors. These stains can be removed by applying some toothpaste and simply rubbing off the stains. It is a cheap and effective method to remove these stains rather than repainting the nursery. Stain nails. If you have cosmetic stains on your nails, you can remove these stains by applying a small quantity of toothpaste and rubbing off the stain. Keep your car's leather upholstery clean. Coffee stains, food stains, and other stains can be removed from the interior parts of your car by using some toothpaste. Apply to the stained areas and rub off with a wet cloth. This process will also deodorize the interior part of your car to give it a good scent. Make your toilets and sinks look whiter. You can keep your toilets and sinks looking clean and white by using toothpaste as an alternative to other stain removers. Simply scrub these areas with some toothpaste and you will be amazed at the results. Is there a stain on your phone screen? Simply apply some toothpaste on your phone screen and wipe off with a clean cloth to restore the bright look of your phone screen. Keep your wooden furniture free from stains. Toothpaste can be used to remove stains from the wooden surfaces of your property. Instead of spending a lot of money to repolish these wooden surfaces, simply rub off the stains with some toothpaste and a wet cloth. It is wonderful to know that toothpaste can be used to achieve these cleaning objectives with no adverse effect. Try these hacks today, save money, and get better results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.